Rivian is apparently working really hard on their interiors to make them the most luxurious in the industry. And I don't know if you're going to agree with that, but apparently they're benchmarking their interiors against companies like Bentley and Lamborghini. So they're saying, hey, we've got all the materials. We're going to do it all right. Natural materials, renewable, wood.
I see wood.
You see wood in there with the grain and everything.
Yeah.
And I know that does it for you. During an event last week, Rivian's director of crafted quality said the company is benchmarking their interiors against those from Audi, Lincoln, and Bentley and Lamborghini. I can speak on the Lincoln one with the Navigator. It's very similar to this, and you have the natural wood, and it's an open style interior with a similar armrest and a big, huge display like that. But those natural materials on the inside make a huge difference to the feel of the thing. It feels kind of more like furniture almost. It feels more at home on the road trip, particularly in an SUV.
Yeah.
What they've done here is they've also inset a very large display into the center, and also a large display behind the steering wheel, just a little bit smaller than that. The seats also really remind me of the Navigator seats, the seats Lincoln uses, which are multi-contour, have a number of different adjustabilities, to get the right fit in there. Apparently, they say it's going to be world-class. That display in the middle, 12.3 inches. Oh, no, the digital cluster is 12.3 inches, of course. The touchscreen in the center is actually 15.6 inches, which is quite large. There's also a 6.8-inch rear display that's going to be in there. And, of course, pricing starts at $69,000, so it does have to be a luxury interior at that starting price. But I just felt I had to show that to you. They say that their user interface will also reflect adventure, the outdoors, and exploration. So I think there's a theme to it in here, that they're trying to bring the outdoors inside, utilitarian materials. They say the wood is sustainably sourced, the colors and textures also inspired by nature. I feel like a guy like you can appreciate that.
Well, yeah, that's a good feeling, knowing that you step in your vehicle and it's natural.
Inspired.
It feels natural.
Inspired by nature.
Yes.